welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on tongue. The tongue is a muscle in your mouth. It helps you taste different flavors like sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. The tongue is covered with tiny bumps called taste buds. It helps you chew and swallow food. The tongue also helps you speak clearly. You can move your tongue in many directions. The tongue is very strong and flexible. It's important to brush your tongue when you brush your teeth. The color of a healthy tongue is pink. Your tongue can sense temperature, so you know if something is hot or cold. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.